Welcome to another edition of NFM TV. I'm Greg Scher, now joined by NFM CIO Christos Bettios, an industry veteran of 17 years who's worked at some very prominent players, U.S. Bank and Fannie Mae for 10 years. We're so delighted to have you at NFM. You've been here for 6 months. This is your official public welcome.
Thank you, Greg. Glad to be here.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you. You just got back from the NBA annual where obviously technology is the big buzz. Everyone's talking about it. And you came away with a very, very important takeaway about the loan officer. Will they be staying in the future? Will they be going?
Well, I think a couple of the important points that were made at the NBA annual had to do with the fact that today's borrower prefers to have a face-to-face, in-person interaction with a loan officer. And the technologies that people talked about had to do with how do you make the loan officer be more productive, provide better customer experience. A lot of technologies are introduced at the NBA annual, but the ones that really resonated with some of the mortgage banking executives had to do with providing better customer experience and enabling the loan officer to provide that.
Because there is a lot of fear amongst loan officers that in 10 years, 15 years, there will come a time where they'll be extinct, and you don't believe that's the case?
Absolutely not. I think in this conference was an eye-opener for a lot of people because there's been so much focus on technology, but yet all the recent surveys, very high-profile industry surveys, indicate that borrowers these days prefer to have the in-person, but with technology enabled.
Yes, and then the other really big topic going on right now, especially in light of the Equifax credit breach a couple of months ago, is information security. Talk about the onus the industry is putting on that.
Well, clearly it's top of mind for the industry, and it is also top of mind for NFM Lending. Here at NFM Lending, we try to provide enterprise-wide, best-in-class solutions to allow our loan officers and everyone in the enterprise to secure the data, protect the data. And I think we always try to remind people to be extra vigilant in the way they communicate and collaborate, both with borrowers and with third-party vendors.
And you're doing some things as we pull it back into NFM technology-wise that the sales field is so excited about. One of the things is Mortgage Genie. What is that?
Well, Mortgage Genie is our new online loan application for the borrower. It provides an end-to-end tool to collaborate native from both PC and from mobile phones that allows them to take the app, enter data, collaborate on documents, upload, receive documents, and get real-time status at the click of a button.
And what about the ability for borrowers to upload income statements and things like that?
That's there now, and so the much better interface that I think what our loan officers were used to seeing in the past. The new interface, I think they would like it very much, and it's going to provide a better experience for their borrowers.
And lastly, LO Connect. Talk to us. What is that?
We launched LO Connect a couple of weeks ago. It has been received very, very highly from a number of LOs who are using it. It provides the ability for the loan officer, just with a couple of clicks on their iPhone, on their phone, to get access to their pipeline, their prospects, and with just a couple of touches of the screen to make a phone call to their borrowers. They don't have to look through spreadsheets or call lists, etc. And
if you're a loan officer, just imagine having your entire pipeline at your fingertips from anywhere you are. And that's so exciting that we have that now, and it's so exciting that we have you here now. So Christos, thank you very much.
Thank you, Greg.
We appreciate it. That's Christos Bettios, the CIO of NFM Lending. You've been watching another edition of NFM TV. See you next time.